History is one of the most interesting topics all over the world. Everyone wants to about history. And some YouTubers grabbed this curiosity into a business idea. They made short videos on historical facts. Look at this channel, it started just 8 months ago and gained over 275,000 subscribers. Most of their videos got over millions of views. You can understand the popularity of this niche. In today's video, I am going to create this kind of video with AI tools. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we need to create a script for our video. And for generating the script, I will use ChatGPT. If you have a story or topic in your mind, then it will be great. But if you don't have any idea, then follow the instructions. After coming to ChatGPT, simply ask, "Hey ChatGPT, I want to make a YouTube channel on historical facts. But I don't have any idea. Can you please give me some ideas?" And you can see ChatGPT give us some good idea. Let's pick the controversies in history. Now ask ChatGPT again, "Thank you. Now please give me 10 topics about controversies in the history segment." And here it is. ChatGPT provides 10 topics on controversies in history. You have to just pick one of them. For example, I will go with the RMS Titanic conspiracy theories. Now ask ChatGPT, "Thanks again. Now could you please write a video script on the RMS Titanic conspiracy theories in just 150 words? I used 150 words because we are making a short video. If you want to make a longer video, then you can increase the word size. Alright, ChatGPT has generated a script for us. Let's copy the script and then paste it into a doc file. You can notice ChatGPT generates a video script with visual suggestions. That's great, now we will generate images with this scene. In my opinion, Midjourney is the best option to generate images, because it generates high-quality images. But everyone doesn't have a subscription to Midjourney. For this reason, I will use Leonardo AI to generate images. Come to Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account on Leonardo AI, create an account with your Google or email account. After coming to the Leonardo AI dashboard, select Leonardo Diffusion XL as your featured model, because it can generate high-quality images with short prompts. Now we have to enter our prompt. I will use the scene description as the prompt. Let's come back to the doc file and copy the first scene description, and then paste it into Leonardo's prompt box. After that, hit the Generate button. And here is the result. Leonardo AI generates 4 images for us. Let's download all of the images. After that, come to the doc file again and copy the second scene details. Paste the text into the prompt box and then hit the Generate button. In this way, generate images for all of the scenes. Alright, all of our images are ready. Now we will make videos with these images. You can use Pika Labs or Runway ML to do this. But this time I will use a free image to video generator Moonvalley AI. This is Moonvalley AI. To start the video creation journey, click on Try the beta from here. This AI bot works in Discord only. That means you need a Discord account to run this tool. After coming to this page, click on Accept Invite. And here is the welcome channel of the Moonvalley AI server. Here you can see the rules and regulations and get started instructions. First of all, we have to join a new Moon channel. For example, I am joining this channel. Alright, after joining a channel, come to the text box and type /. Now you can see some command templates here. Select /create option from here. After selecting the create option, enter the text prompt. I will use the scene details as a prompt. After that, select the video style. Let's select realistic. Now select the video duration. I will select the long version. After that, you can add a reference image. I will use one of the images of the first scene. After uploading the image, set a camera motion. After all is set, hit the enter button. And here is our result. Now click on the download icon from here to download the video on your device. In this way, generate videos with all of the images and scenes. Okay, after generating the video, it's time to create a voiceover. You can record your own voice, but I will use an AI tool, Fliki, to generate audio. After coming to Fliki AI, click on Sign Up from here. Now create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account, click on the New File button from here. Now we have to enter some data. First of all, select the file type as audio only. Then select the language and accents. I will keep it English and US. After that, give a name to your file. Then select the empty file from here and hit the Submit button. This is the audio generation page. First, we have to select a voice actor. Click on the voice actor named Sarah from here. Now you will find a vast number of voice actors. Listen to some of them and then select one. And yes, don't forget to click on Apply this voice to all the voiceover. After selecting the voice actor, come to Google Bard and copy the first narration text. Now paste the text into the voiceover text box of Fliki. Then, click on the plus icon from here to create a new text box. Go back to Google Bard, copy the next narration text, and paste it into the second text box. This way create new text boxes and paste all of the narration text. Alright, after completing the process, come back to the common scene and click on Choose File. Here we will select background music for our video. Select appropriate background music. Now we are done, click on the download button from here. Okay, now we have the videos and the voiceovers. Now it's time to put it together using video editing software. You can use any video editing software, this time I will use CapCut, it's free and easy to use. There is a web version also. You can use it on your mobile phone also. Alright, after coming to the editor, import all of the videos and voiceovers into the media bin. Now insert the voiceover in the audio timeline. Then insert the videos on the video timeline. Now we have to set the aspect ratio. Click on here and set the aspect ratio as 9:16. Now we have to sync our video length with the audio. You can see the scene suggestions from the script. To do this, click on the video footage, then come to the right tool panel and select speed from here. Now if you have to increase the length, decrease the speed, and if want to decrease the length, increase the speed. Give proper time to sync the video with audio. You can add some transaction effects between scenes to make it more attractive. Okay, now come to the effects panel from here and then add some effects to make the video more appealing. You can also add some animation to your video clips. Give proper time to editing to make your video more engaging. After all of this, we will create subtitles for our video. To do this, come to the text tool from here. We have to select the auto caption tool from here. Now select your video language and then hit the create button. It will generate subtitles for our video. And you can see it. But it's not looking so good. To solve this issue, select the subtitle. Now come to the right tool panel. We have to change the font. Select a bold font from here. After that, increase the size. Change the text color. I will select yellow. After that, add a stroke effect. Okay, now we will add animation to our text. Come to the animation tab and then select caption from here. Here you will notice pop-up animation. I will suggest using this one, because then the subtitle will appear one by one. Alright, after all is set, export the video. It will take some time to export the video. Let's skip it. And our video is ready. Let's enjoy it.
The sinking of the RMS Titanic remains one of history's most tragic events. Yet, amidst the heartache and loss, conspiracy theories have surfaced, challenging the official narrative. Some believe the Titanic tragedy was not a mere accident. One theory suggests a swap between the Titanic and her sister ship, the Olympic, as part of an elaborate insurance scam orchestrated by the White Star Line. Others speculate that the ship's demise was planned to eliminate prominent figures who opposed the creation of the Federal Reserve, including John Jacob Astor. Additionally, claims of a mummy's curse haunting the ship have added to the mystery. Despite these theories, evidence and experts refute such claims. Forensic investigations and historical records continue to uphold the official account of the Titanic's tragic end on that fateful night in April 1912. Theories persist, but the truth of the RMS Titanic
I think this is a well-made history short video. In this way, you can make unlimited historical videos for your channel. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating historical shorts using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!